Welcome. Today we are going to learn decimal form of a rational number. For example, if it is given numbers we have studied in decimal means point. Number having a point, that is called decimal form. For example, if it is given 351 by 100. So what we will get the value 3.51. Here decimal is on. If we are moving to the left hand side, you need tens, hundredths place because denominator here. If it is given 351 by 1000, so again your value will be what? 0.351. You need tens, hundred, thousands place the decimal point is set. So we have learnt in the lower classes. If 2 by 10, so it is 0.2. 2 by 100, the value is 0.02. Okay, we are moving to the left hand side. Unit tens, hundredths place. Okay, the 3 by 1000, for example, so we will write 0.003. Okay, unit tens, hundred, thousand. So what we understood, we can divide a decimal fraction by either 100 or 1000. So if we are dividing by 100 and 1000, so by moving the decimal point, decimal means point, two places to the left. For example, here 100, so two places to the left. This is your left hand side. So see, two places to the left hand side. Okay, if we are dividing by 1000, so again how many places we are moving? See, to the left hand side, this is 1000, so we are moving to the three places to the left. Okay, so to multiply by 1000, we move the point three places to the right hand side. From left we are moving to the right hand side and putting the decimal. So this is called what? Decimal fractions. Decimal means the number which are having the decimal, that means point is known as decimal. Now if this was about dividing by 100, 1000, so on. If the number is fraction is given 7 divided by 4. Okay, so how we will do? 7 we have to divide with 4. So we can write, see, 4 ones are 4. So remainder is now 3. Now here no digits is there. So I can put here point. So here also I will put point and I will take the number 0. So next digit is 0 I have taken. So 4 sevens are 28. So remainder is again 2. I will extend the 0, means I will take 0 and next digit is 0. Then 4, 5s are 20. So remainder is 0. So we got the answer. 7 by 4 is equal to 1.75. 1.75. Okay, so what we have understood, we have obtained 0 has the remainder. We have obtained 0 has the remainder. This type of decimal form of a rational number, this type of a decimal form of a rational number is called the terminating decimal form. Terminating means we got the remainder 0, so it is terminate, means complete division is over. So such type is known as what? Terminating decimal form. This is known as terminating decimal form. For example, if I am taking the next number 5 divided by 3, for example. So we will do this 5 divided by 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. We got the remainder 2. So here we will put 2 point and I will put 1 0 and here also point and we will see this 0 we have taken. Now 3 6 are 18. Okay, so again we got remainder 20. So I will take one more 0. So it will again 6 are 18. Again I got means remainder 20. So again if I am taking 0. Okay, next 0 I am taking here. So it will become 20. So 6 are again 3 6 are 18. So again I got 2. So it will be what happening? Therefore we can write 5 by 3 is equal to 1.666. How many times you will write? So better we will write 5 by 3 is equal to 1.6 dot. Dot means 6 is repeating continuously. Okay, if I am taking the next number as an example, for example, 2 by 11. Okay, 2 by 11 if we are dividing. So we will write 2 divided by 11. So you know zeros are 0. So remainder is 2. So I put decimal and here also decimal. Next digit I have taken 0. So here it becomes 20. So we know 11 ones are 11. So remainder is 20 minus 11, 9. So 1 0 I have added. Okay, next 0 I have taken. So now 90. So you know 11 8s are 88. So remainder we got 20. Okay. So if you see here again 20 means it is going to repeat. Means again 1s are 18. Subtracting, then we are getting again, okay, 20. Again taking 1 0. Again we are getting, okay. So what you see, I will do till here only. So if you see 8s are 88, remainder 1s are 18. So we will do till here because after this it is going to be repeated. So 1 again I will get 8 again, so it will be continuous. So therefore 2 by 11 you can write 0.1818. So what is repeating? 1818. So we can write 2 by 11 is equal to 0.18. Put the bar and such type of numbers. So when single digit is repeating or group of after decimal, if single digit is repeating or group of numbers are repeating, so this form, decimal form of a rational numbers are known as the recurring decimal form. Means here single digit is repeating after the decimal and here after the decimal 181818 it will be repeated. So this is called what? Recurring decimal form. So now we will solve practice set 24. If you see here, it is given, write the following numbers, rational numbers in decimal form. So we will solve this. So first one, it is given 13 by 4. So 13 is divided by 4. We know 4 3s are 12. Okay, so remainder is 1. So I will put the decimal here and here also decimal. Okay, now I can put 0 because we are taking the 0 now. So 4 2s are 8. So we got remainder 2. So next again taking 0. So 4 5s are 20. So here we got the remainder 0. So our answer we got 330. Therefore we got the answer 13 by 4 is equal to 3.25. This is our answer because we got the remainder 0. Now next it is given negative 7 by 8. So you will, whatever you are getting the answer, you will put negative sign. So we will divide. So 7 divided by 8. Okay, so see 8 ones are 8, so 0 point. Here we can put point. So put 1 0 here. Now here 0 7, next digit we are taking 70. So Now 8 8s are 64. So remainder will be 6. And next again I am taking the 0. Okay, no need of writing. It is when we have to continue. 60 we got. So we know 8 7s are 56. So again we will get the remainder 4. Put 1 0. Then we know 8 5s are 40. So here we got the remainder 0. So our answer is negative 0.875. Next we will see it is given 7 3 by 5. So 7 3 by 5, how we can write? 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 3, 38 by 5. So we will do this. 38 divided by 5. We know 5 7s are 35. So remainder is 3. So I am taking 1 0. Here point will come. So 5 6 are 30. So division is completed. So we can write 38 by 5 is equal to 7.6. Now next it is given 5 by 12. So 5 by 12 we will do it. 5 divided by 12. So see 12 of 12 ones are 12. So 12 zeros are 0. So 5 we will take the 0 and here put this decimal point, since we have to complete the division. So it will become 50. Now we know 4s are 12 4s are 48. Now we got 2. Put 1 0 20. Now again 1s are 12 1s are 12. So you got the remainder 8 and put 1 0. Now you know 12 6 are 72. So again you will get 8 and putting 0 again you will get what? 6 are 80. Sorry, I wanted to say that it is so the 12 6 are 72. Again the remainder you will get 8 and you will put 1 0. I wanted to write the denominator you will get again, again the remainder will be not 0. Okay, so here what we have seen again means it will be repeated continuously 0 0. So what is repeating? 6. So we can write here 5 by 12 is equal to 0.411. One digit is repeating 6. So 416. On 6 you will put the dot. Okay. Now next we will go. Next it is given on 6 you will show the dot. Okay. Here also you can write 0.416 and above 6 dot. Dot means it is repeating. Now next number it is given 22 by 7. You know it is known as the pi. Okay, pi value already we are not almostly we are writing 3.14. So let us see what we are getting. So 22 divided by 7. So 7 3s are 21. So remainder we are getting 1. Put 1 0. So here you will get the decimal point. So 7 1s are 7. Then remainder is 3. Put 1 0. So 7 4s are 28. So remainder we got 2. Put 1 0. So 7 2s are 14. So you got 6. Put 1 0. Then 8s are 7 8s are 56. Again you got the remainder, means 4 and put 1 0. You know 5s are 35. You got the remainder 5, put 1 0. So 7 7s are 49. Again you got 1. See, here we got 1. So means again after 7, again the number 10 for example. Again I can write 1s are 7, then 3. Can you see third? So the process will be again repeating 1, 4, 2, 8, 7, 8. After 8 it is 5, 7, 1. Okay. So which numbers are repeating? 4, 2, 8, 5, 7. Okay. So we can put the bar from, how you can write? Therefore 22 by 7 is equal to 3.142857, because after that again it is repeating, so we can put a bar on this. Means this is repeating continuously. Again it will repeat from where? From here it will repeat. Okay, so this is what? This is called as a recurring decimal form. Okay, now next it is given 4 by 3. So 4 by 3 quickly we will do. 4 divide. So 3 ones are 3. So we got 10, means put 0. So here point will come. So you know 3 3s are 9. So again 1 we got. Then see, here again 1 we got, so 0. Again 3 3s are 9. Again remain. So what will repeat? 3 3 3 3 3 3. So we can write 4 by 3 is equal to 1.3, and above 3 show the dot. Now next it is given 7 by 9. So let us do it. 7, you have to divide with 9. So 9 zeros are 0. So put 1 0. So here decimal. So it will become 70. So you know 9 7s are 63. Again you got 70. Okay, again you know 9 7s are 63. Again you got 7. So it will be continuous. So we can write 7 by 9 is equal to 0.7 dot, because 7 7 will be repeated. So here we have completed practice set 24. In next class we will go for the next practice set. Thank you.